Ford Focus will have, in most cases, an automatic transmission that is called dual clutch transmission or PowerShift. And this transmission is not just automatic. Basically, it's a manual transmission, but it has an automatic module, kind of robot, let's say, that shifts the gears for you. And this robot is controlled by the TCU, or transmission control unit. This is just like the ECU for your engine, electronic control unit, yeah. But this is a transmission control unit. This electronic control unit or transmission control unit controls the way your transmission works. It shifts, it commands the robot to shift the gears for you when needed. And when this transmission control unit is malfunctioning, you will see a lot of messages, warning lights and all the things that will happen to any Focus owner at about 100,000 miles. Unfortunately, this is quite an expensive module, and a lot of Focus owners will try buying it used because unfortunately there is no recall for this module for the majority of years of your car, and replacing it is quite expensive. There is no fix for it. If it fails, you will need to just replace this module, unfortunately.